docking the Cessna Caravan on floats in a tight spot. Here we are, heading towards the dock, beginning a turn to the left. Now that we're facing away from the dock, we begin to hammer on the reverse, engine spools up, exhaust starts producing boost to the right and starts pushing the nose to the left. We can spin on the spot all the way around till we face the dock. Now we're facing the dock, forward momentum, so the water rudders have authority. Reverse, slow down, prepare to shut down, and jump out. That's how you do it.